Hello, this video is to help you to know how you are going to turn in and complete a fluency check each week. For this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to record yourself and turn it in to me at the end of the week. The first thing you need to do is open the assignment in Google Classroom, open Google Docs where you usually turn in the time, which should be the file that has the table, and also open the reading. You can start with English or Spanish, whichever one you prefer. Once you have the reading and the chart ready, you're also going to open the website Vocaro. If you're not sure, the link is right here. I have all three open on my computer, so once I'm ready to actually start reading, all I'm going to do is once I click Vocaro, it should open this page. I click on this mic, and once I see the time that starts going, that means it started to record, which means I'm going to go back to my reading really quickly and start reading out loud. For example, homes in the Arctic. It is just an average January day in the Arctic. The temperature is 40 degrees below zero. A person would design a special home to stay warm, but how do animals survive here? And I would keep going until I finish reading all the way. As soon as I finish reading, I'm going to go really quickly to Vocaro and press this middle square to stop my recording. Once I finish recording, I may listen to it if I like by pressing the play button so that I can hear how I read. But if I am happy, I listen to it and I'm happy, I'm going to go ahead and click save and share. Once I save and share, it's going to give me a link to where I'm just going to click on the double square on the side and it's going to copy to my clipboard. And it's going to highlight it blue. Once I do that, I'm going to go back to the Google form. I'm going to go all the way down where it says to put the link. And since this reading was the one in English, I'm going to go ahead and with my keyboard, I'm going to press with 2 fingers on the keyboard, which will give me the option that you see here. And I'm going to put paste. Click again. And now click space, and as you can see, now I have the link for the first reading. I can also go back to the Vocaro and see how long it took me. On the side right here, it shows me the time that it took me to read it, so that I can write this time for my Friday chart before I turn it in. And then once I finish doing that, I can go back to then do the one in Spanish or the other language, whichever one I did first. So I go to Google Classroom, I open my one in Spanish to have it ready. I go to Vocaro, and I can just go back to the original page. So I think I can just click the reset button and it's going to allow me to start over. Or I can just click Vocaro and open it again. And I'll do the same process again. Record myself, save it, share the link, put it here. And then once I have both of my links and I complete my table, then that's going to be when you turn in the assignment. Okay? Thank you, and if you have questions, let me know.